10 to 2019 Range Rover, Land Rover. I'm doing the two front windows. A lot of people have a hard time with the front windows, but I know how to take out the seals, so it'll be a lot easier. When you're taking out the seals, you got clips in here that you got to pull down. So you see these clips here? You got to pull these clips back right here. They connect into the door. So see right there, look right there. You see this here? They connect in there. Then you got to push it down right here. Get behind them and push it down. And then once you get all them back. See, I got all them back right here, and even right here, they all back. So you got to push the clip. Once you push the clips back, you can easily take the seal out. The seal will easily come out. So you won't have to be struggling with these windows no more. Take the seal out. I normally sit the seals in the front. And this is right here. You push this down like that. Push it down. Clip that out. That comes out. That comes out. That comes out. That comes out. And to put it back in, you just stick it back in behind that. So I'm putting it back in. There we go. So now I can just make sure I put it right back into the clips. There you go. There you go. So the door together. I already tinted the windows on it. So I bottom drop the windows. So the windows are bottom drop. I put 35% on the windows. So that's the way you take that seal out, and then you can bottom drop it. You won't have to worry about the creases in the corner. All right. Peace.